Hi Brad, my name is Christian Rinna with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are exclusive to you. So you're not going to play this game of whoever paid the most money to Zillow gets the best leads this month, or playing the game of, competing with multiple agents for the same lead. They're your leads because it's your site. So a couple things. I have your Facebook page pulled up here. It looks like you saw our Facebook ad, which thank you very much for watching. Thanks for clicking, and I hope this video brings you value. You do have a Facebook page, and it does say down here in your info, you're a real estate broker at Century 21, a select group. Okay, so that's good. Okay, the only recommendation I would have, and I've seen a lot of realtor do this, would be to have like a hyphen after your name with realtor, or some form of slogan down below. And I can see you're a family man, and I love that, and a lot of people do too. But when we're scrolling through Facebook, if it says your name and then we have to go to your Facebook page to see the fact that you're a realtor or a broker, it makes it that much harder. So people on the internet are going to want easy, fast. So the easier it is for them to know, hey, he's a realtor, let's call him, the better. So a lot of times the best thing you can do is put a hyphen with realtor after your name, and that'll work. So just a suggestion. Now, a couple things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing we're going to talk about is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Those directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All of those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in what we like to call the map pack. So as you can see here, I typed in Marshall, Texas Realtors. We got Century 21 A Select Group, which is your brokerage, which is good to see for you especially. We got Coldwell Banker, we got Clay Allen. Okay, so obviously the top three is where you want to be. Looks like your broker is there. Now, how many leads are you getting from your brokerage? Only you know that answer. Typically, the answer we hear is not very many, if any at all. And then also, too, let me see if I can find a good example down here. And it looks like there may not be in your area. But a lot of times, if you look, you can actually see an individual realtor's website above the big dogs like Zillow, Realtor.com, Remax, Century 21. You can actually see your site above them, and down here what we'd like to call the organic search. And that's if you build your website properly with good content, good backlinks, you save your photos right. There's some things you got to do, but you can actually have your website up here in the first page above the big dogs if you do it right. So I'd like to point out that this is the second page, or technically the first page. We opened it up, and I see that you have your own Google My Business page, so that's awesome. A lot of realtors don't. You're already there. How many leads are you getting from this? Only you know the answer to that, okay? So I do have it pulled up. So congratulations on having one. I'm really glad to see that. So you have one. A couple things I want to say. 3 reviews, 4-star, not bad. Now, we recommend 25 reviews minimum. So definitely keep pushing those reviews. That's going to help you out a lot in the ranking process of this page. We recommend 25 minimum. And then also, I see here that you only have one photo, and this photo is the drive-by that Google did on their own. So this photo doesn't count. We recommend 25 photos. So not 25. 25 reviews, 10 photos, okay? So you have 0, you're going to want 10 photos. And then just also keep in mind that how you save your photos is read on the back end by search engines like Google, okay? So a lot of times when we upload photos, the computer will generate a file name for that photo that we don't specify. So typically it consists of like random letters and numbers, or pick 1, pick 2. Okay, that's no good. You're going to want to delete that, and you're going to want to save it as good content, something that's going to bring value to the web that these search engines are going to read, that are going to help rank your page, okay? So just keep that in mind. 10 photos, 25 reviews. Other than that, you do have your address and phone, so you could put hours there. You could complete the profile. I would highly recommend completing the profile, putting your hours, and whatever other information that they request. But I am glad to see that you have one. So just keep in mind, 25 reviews, 10 photos. And then I do have your website pulled up here, which was a link, which I believe was bradsoldit.com, which directs us to this website, which looks like it's a website that's brought to you by your brokerage. So again, yes, you have one, but how much value is it bringing to you? So how many people are finding this website on their own and calling you up from it? That's the real question. One benefit is that since you do have a domain, bradsoldit.com, bradsoldit.com, because you have that age domain, when and if you decide to build your own website, you're going to have already a good established reputation on the internet with that. So you can build your own website. You can have a website built for you. Either way, you're going to want to put good content. So we recommend 1,500 words minimum, which obviously this site does not have 1,500 words at all. We recommend 1,500 minimum, and then again, all your photos to be saved the right way. So especially in a real estate website with the IDX feed and all the listing photos, you want to make sure that all your photos are saved the right way. So keep that in mind when building your site. I would highly recommend doing it. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your site can be found on the internet, anywhere. And this is a prime example. So this is a tool we use called Ahrefs. Your site, which is actually the redirected C21aselectgroup.com. This is the redirected site from bradsells.com. You have 230 backlinks from 25 referring domains. Okay, you have 27 organic keywords. This is 9 organic traffic. So 9 people per month are finding it with a domain rating of 18. And that's 18 out of 100. So very low. Keep in mind that not all backlinks are created equal. So one benefit to having only 230 backlinks is that you're probably going to want to remove some of these. So if you can find the time to remove the backlinks that are coming from sites that are not relevant to the industry and sites that are spammy. So if you get your backlinks from spammy sites that aren't relevant to the trade, it's actually going to hurt your domain rating. We like to see this domain rating anywhere from 70 or above. You're to 18. So keep that in mind when getting your backlinks. You want them from powerful sites that are not spammy. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business, into your life, to bring you some more leads and in turn some more money and freedom. And so if you have any questions or comments, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.